Anhui Zhongxu Outdoor Products Company Limited is a professional outdoor waterproof product supplier with own factory and marketing branch in Anhui province. Our company was founded in 2008. We own a complete processing workshop and a large modern warehouse. After more than 10 years production experience, we now have about 200 professional technicians and 50 outstanding staffs on marketing, design, operation, and management. In recent years, we have introduced a series of advanced equipment including automatic cutting machine, laser machine, fusing press machine, CAD graph plotter. These advanced equipment can increase our work efficiency by 30% and reduce costs by 20%. We integrate the trade platform and production line together to meet customer requirements. We believe that quality is future. All products will be sold after strict inspection and testing to ensure quality. Our brand Rainframe has obtained the International Madrid trademark registration. We have many Advantage series waterproof products including windbreaker, fashion PU rain jacket, adult rain suit, cycling poncho, motorcycle raincoat, hiking cloak, children raincoat, and pets raincoat. We provide OEM/ODM service for worldwide customers. No matter selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking personalized customization, we have sufficient confidence to meet your demands. Welcome to visit our factory. We are very glad to establish the business relationship with you.